Today we will learn possessive pronouns, his and her in Urdu. We use uska, uski and uske for his and her. Uska. Uska is used with masculine singular nouns, and uski is used with feminine singular and feminine plural nouns, and uske is used for masculine plural nouns. Let's see some examples. Uska beta. Uska beta. Beta is masculine, so we use uska. Uska beta. Beta is masculine singular, so we use uska. Uska beta, his son or her son. Uska beta means his son or her son. Beta is masculine singular noun. Uski beti. Uski beti, his daughter or her daughter. Uski beti, his daughter or her daughter. Here, beti is feminine singular, so we have used uski beti, his daughter or her daughter. Uski beti means his daughter or her daughter. Uske bete. Bete is feminine plural, so we have used uske bete. Uske bete means his sons or her sons. Uske bete, his sons or her sons. Uski betiyan. Betiyan is feminine plural, so we have used uski. Uski betiyan. Uski betiyan means his daughters or her daughters. Uski betiyan. And a few more examples. उसका क्या नाम है? What's his name or what's her name? Naam is singular. Naam is Naam is masculine singular, so we have used uska. Uska क्या नाम है? What's his name or what's her name? ये उसकी किताबें नहीं हैं. ये उसकी किताब नहीं है. This is not his book or this is not her book. ये उसकी किताब नहीं है. किताब is a feminine singular noun, so we have used uski. ये उसकी किताब नहीं है. This is not his book or this is not her book. ये उसकी किताबें नहीं हैं. These are not his books or these are not her books. किताबें is a feminine plural, so we have used उसकी. ये उसकी किताबें नहीं हैं. These are not his books or these are not her books. उसके बेटे का क्या नाम है? उसके बेटे का क्या नाम है? What's the name of his son or what's the name of her son? बेटे is masculine plural, so we have used uske. उसके बेटे का क्या नाम है? What's the name of his son or what's the name of her son? उसके कलम कहाँ हैं, where are his pens or where are her pens. उसके कलम कहाँ हैं. Kalam, here kalam is masculine plural, so we have used uske. Uske kalam kahan hai. Kalam is singular, masculine singular and masculine plural both. Here it is used in plural sense. So we have used uske kalam kahan hai. Uske kalam kahan hai, because here kalam is in plural sense and it is masculine plural, so we have used uske. Uske kalam kahan hai, where are his pens or where are her pens.